Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting concept sports cars that enthusiasts have been dreaming about, the 2026 Toyota 2000 GT. The original Toyota 2000 GT became one of the most iconic Japanese sports cars ever built. With its timeless design, limited production, and legendary status, it remains a symbol of Toyota's engineering excellence. Now imagine what a modern version could look like. The 2026 Toyota 2000 GT brings classic inspiration together with modern technology, premium luxury, and exciting performance. In this video, we'll explore the exterior design, interior, engine performance, technology, safety features, expected price, and everything that makes this modern interpretation so special. So, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is the elegant styling. The 2026 Toyota 2000 GT has a low wide stance that immediately gives it the appearance of a true grand touring sports car. Finished in a stunning metallic gray shine color, the body reflects the bright showroom lighting beautifully, highlighting every curve and body line. The designers have successfully blended classic 2000 GT styling with modern sports car proportions. The long hood, short rear deck, and smooth roofline create an athletic yet sophisticated appearance. At the front, slim LED matrix headlights give the car a sharp and futuristic look, while maintaining the elegance of the original model. Between the headlights sits a clean front grille with the Toyota emblem placed proudly in the center. The sculpted hood features subtle aerodynamic lines that guide airflow while adding a muscular appearance. The front bumper includes large air intakes finished with gloss black accents that improve cooling and enhance the sporty character. Moving to the side profile, the 2000 GT looks absolutely stunning. The flowing coupe silhouette creates a timeless design, while flush door handles and frameless windows give the car a modern touch. The lower side skirts improve aerodynamics, and chrome window trim adds a premium finish. Large 20-inch forged alloy wheels perfectly fill the wheel arches. Behind them are ventilated performance brake discs with silver brake calipers that provide both outstanding stopping power and an elegant appearance. The metallic gray shine paint complements the wheels perfectly, giving the car a luxurious presence from every angle. Now let's move to the rear. The rear design is clean and modern while paying tribute to the classic Toyota 2000 GT. Slim full-width LED taillights create a futuristic lighting signature. Below them sits a sculpted rear bumper with an integrated diffuser and polished dual chrome exhaust tips. A subtle active rear spoiler automatically deploys at higher speeds to improve stability without affecting the elegant design. Standing back and looking at the complete vehicle, it's clear that the 2026 Toyota 2000 GT has been designed as a luxury grand tourer rather than an extreme supercar. It looks sophisticated, balanced, and unmistakably premium. Now let's step inside the cabin. Opening the driver's door reveals an interior that perfectly combines traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. The seats are finished in premium black leather with tan inserts and beautiful contrast stitching. They provide excellent comfort during long journeys while offering enough side support for spirited driving. Both front seats are expected to feature power adjustment, heating, ventilation, memory settings, and premium cushioning for maximum comfort. The dashboard follows a clean and driver-focused layout. Soft-touch leather, open-pore wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and carbon fiber details create an upscale atmosphere. Directly in front of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, RPM, navigation, fuel information, tire pressure, and driving assistance features. Drivers can customize the screen depending on whether they prefer a classic gauge layout or a modern performance display. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features multi-function controls for audio, phone calls, cruise control, and voice commands. Behind the steering wheel are aluminum paddle shifters that allow quick manual gear changes whenever the driver wants a more engaging experience. At the center of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system. The system is expected to support wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, built-in navigation, voice recognition, and wireless software updates. A premium JBL sound system delivers exceptional audio quality throughout the cabin. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and connected smartphone features make daily driving more convenient. Ambient lighting stretches across the dashboard, center console, and door panels, allowing drivers to choose from multiple colors to match their mood. A panoramic glass roof allows natural. Toyota is also expected to equip the 2000 GT with the latest Toyota Safety Sense technologies. Expected features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, traction control, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags. These advanced safety systems help provide confidence whether you're driving through busy city streets or enjoying open highways. Now let's discuss the expected price. Toyota has not officially announced pricing because the vehicle has not been confirmed for production. However, if such a model were introduced, industry experts estimate that pricing could begin around $90,000 to $120,000, depending on the final specifications and equipment. That would position it as a premium grand touring sports car competing with vehicles like the Porsche 911 Carrera, Nissan Z Nismo, BMW M4 Competition, Mercedes-AMG CLE 53, and Lexus LC. Overall, the 2026 Toyota 2000 GT represents an exciting vision of what a modern Japanese grand touring icon could become. It combines timeless styling, luxurious craftsmanship, modern technology, powerful performance, and Toyota's reputation for reliability into one elegant sports coupe. For enthusiasts who appreciate classic automotive heritage with modern innovation, the Toyota 2000 GT would be a dream car worth waiting for. So, what do you think about the 2026 Toyota 2000 GT? Would you like Toyota to bring back this legendary nameplate? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest luxury car, sports car, and concept vehicle reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
It's all for you. No, no, no. Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising on the moonlight?